If you love Chinese cuisine and of course a good fakeaway, you're going to love this salt and pepper chicken recipe. It's a classic Chinese takeaway dish, and today we're giving it a healthier, homemade twist without losing any of that fantastic flavour.
Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Babty and welcome back to my Food for Fitness kitchen. If you like fakeaways, then I think you're going to absolutely love this recipe. The star is the Chinese 5-spice seasoning blend. Now, it's a mix of delicious spices like star anise, Chinese cinnamon, Szechuan peppercorns, fennel, and cloves. It's going to give our chicken that authentic, irresistible flavour punch. And if you don't have some in your cupboard already, it's really accessible and you should be able to get it from any of the large supermarkets. Another great thing about the recipe is that it's ready in 25 minutes, making it a perfect choice for cooking during the week. Plus, it's high in protein and low in fat. There's only about 350 odd calories with 52 grams of protein and a mere 9 grams of fat per serving. Sounds good? This is how you cook it.
The first thing we're going to prep is our veggies. So we're going to slice up one pepper. I'm using a green one, as you can see, along with one onion. Then you're going to slice up 500 grams of chicken breast in the same kind of way, add it to a bowl, and then season with garlic powder, onion powder, 1 teaspoon of the Chinese 5-spice seasoning, along with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I always use reduced salt soy sauce because I'm cooking for the kids. Again, it's up to you what you use. Probably use the dark stuff because again, it just adds more color to it. Light is lighter in color, but is a bit more flavorsome. But for the sake of this, I want to use the soy sauce primarily to add some color. So set that aside and then heat a wok. I'm using some coconut oil on a high heat, and then you're going to add that chicken and pan fry it until it is cooked through. At this point in the video, it would also be fantastic if you could just hit that like button. It doesn't cost anything, and all I ask is if you could do that for me because it really helps with the growth of the channel. Once you have cooked that chicken all the way through, probably between 5 and 10 minutes, remove from the pan and set aside, and then add in those veggies. We want the veggies to maintain a bit of bite, so we're going to keep it on a high heat. Again, I've added a little bit of oil to the pan, just again using coconut oil for the flavour. And we're going to fry them for a few more minutes until they are starting to go golden brown. And then you're going to add another ½ teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice seasoning, along with equal measures of garlic and ginger. As always, I'm using an all-in-one paste. I always use this for cooking. It's so easy and handy, and I'll put a link to it in the description below. And then fry that off for a further 30 seconds. And then you're going to add the chicken back into the pan and just stir through and warm the chicken up anywhere between sort of 2 to 3 minutes. And that is it. I mean, how easy was that to make? Then all you need to do is to plate it up. You can serve this with rice or whatever you choose. And I always garnish with something green. In this case, I'm using some spring onion. And normally you would use red chili. I didn't have any, so I'm just using a red pepper instead as a bit of a cheat to make it look nice.
So there we have it. Chinese takeaway style, salt and pepper chicken, but a fraction of the calories. So a much healthier version because we've skipped the deep frying. There's no batter on it. It's just lean, but really, really tasty. Anyway, as always, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are a new viewer or if you haven't had a chance yet, make sure to click that subscribe button because it just means you're notified as soon as I post a high protein recipe. Because I'm posting about 2 a week, usually on a Monday and Thursday. So if you click subscribe, you'll get a little notification saying there's a new video ready for you and you can cook the recipe. Anyway, I'm going to go and eat this. Thanks again for watching. I'll speak to you later.